with Obadiah's. Today I am going to take you guys through a technical overview on the Bun Baker stove. This is also known as the Nectre N350. So there is two Vermont Bun Bakers. There's the XL and the regular. This is going to be the regular. So smaller model heats about 1,200 square feet or so. Small firebox, approximately a 12-inch log. If you're using double wall chimney and wall protection, your clearance is going to be 8 inches from the rear as well as the sides of the stove. And those are kind of the base points. No outside air connection on this model. It is Washington State approved. It's going to have nice door gaskets on the inside, 2 removable plates, top vent with a 6-inch flue. So I'm going to bring you up and close and show you all the way around the stove so you can see that detail. Here we have the stove up close. There's going to be these 2 removable lids on the top vent, flue. There is this damper control here that you can see. That is going to be the flap that is open and closed. That's what's going to allow the smoke to exit the flue stack or circulate around the oven. This is your damper control. You can see this dial is just super easy in and out. Simple kind of rope gasket. The glass is gasketed as well, but it is left open at the top of the door. Solid steel bottom here. 3 simple fire bricks located at the rear. This still has the packaging on them. They are wire stainless steel oven racks. As you can see, the 3 different levels of the potential racks that you could place inside the unit. And then the same kind of gasketing on the door as well. Take you around so you can see the side. Simple black sides. The rear of the stove, this is kind of like a built-in heat shield here. This creates a lot of nice convection air, so you'll get heat that comes just right off the top of the stove here. And then yeah, the back of the stove is pure black, so if it's exposed in an open room, no big deal on that. It's not like it's ugly or it's like silver or something like that where it throws the look of the stove off. Yeah. That is the N350 up close. I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful and enjoy them. If you guys do like my videos, please don't forget, give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.